Hi everyone, so as you know, Antonio does a VIP subscription for people, and it's £45 for the year, but if you use my code Louise10 you can get it for £40.50. So I'm going to show you through the VIP kits. There's two, all VIPs get 2 kits every month as part of their VIP subscription, and there are lots of other perks as well, which I will put up on the screen now. So I'm going to show you through the packs, and I'm also going to, it's just so beautiful, I'm also going to show you some of the things I've made with them as well at the end of each pack. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is called Alice in Flowerland, and this is beautiful. I mean, it's actually beautiful. I love the colours. I love the colours, and I love the quality and the depth that you're getting with the actual patterns. They're just stunning. I mean, there isn't any other word. When I opened up the file, I was like, oh my days, I'm gonna have fun with this one. Can we just appreciate how gorgeous that is? Wow. So that's one of the sheets. Then you've got this one. Look at that flower. My days. And you've got the rabbit on the other side. I love this flower here. And this is beautiful. Love that blue and that pink. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you get these little circles that you could use for all sorts, tags, or I don't know, all sorts of things you could use this for. So all Alice in Wonderland type theme, playing cards, that kind of thing. Really nice little watercolory type things going on. They're more like black and white type things, and obviously you've got your little looking mirror thing. Yeah, using the word thing a bit too much there, but yeah, very nice. Then we've got this paper, which I love again. I think this is beautiful, and this would actually go with some of his papers that he did more recently. He did the strawberry one. I think the June kit was actually strawberry, so that would go nicely. You got your little cakes, really cute cupcakes. Love those butterflies, really nice, kind of stylized but beautiful. Then you've got things like this. This is like a box, makes a little milk carton style box. So that's beautiful. And then you've got things like this. We've got the little mushrooms down the sides. You can fussy cut those out. And then you've got this, which is like a little pouch box. Really easy to do. Just literally cut round the edge. And then every time you see a black line, you just score along it. And you put it together and it makes a little pouch box. Really sweet. Then there's this one. You have to excuse my printer. For some reason, I've just had a new printer and it keeps dropping off the bottom. I think I've done some setting wrong. But obviously when you print it out, it'll print out fine. So this makes a little envelope. And again, it's used this gorgeous page with the little rabbit, and then you've got a couple of little envelopey type ones. Really nice, really pretty. And then we've also got some tags and some more little circular discs. So that is the Alice in Flowerland kit, part of the VIP for July. So I'm now going to show you some things that I've made using this kit. Okay, so this is one of the cards I've made using the Alice in Flowerland pack. There will be a tutorial coming up for this soon. So look at that flower. Sorry, that flower is beautiful. I love it. And I love the colours. Again, it's not colours I would normally have used, but I absolutely love the colours. So this is like a tent fold card. Well, like a tent stepper, like a stepper card, I guess. And I've just sort of mixed it up a little bit, done a little bit different. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. So that is one of the cards I've made. And then another card I've made using this pack, but also some of the Feathers and Flora pack. This is obviously the Alice in Flowerland pack kit. And so that's the front, and then that's the inside. And again, here, this is that same paper, but this behind is actually the Feathers in Flora pack. Which I will show you some pictures of in a bit, but I'm going to show you through the pack first, and then I'll come back to this in a minute. Next up, we've got this one, which is called Feathers in Flora, and it's beautiful, really beautiful. It's this kind of watercolory, and then it's got like a black outline over the top, which I just think looks amazing. And I love the colours, so nice. And then, oh my days, it just, when you just don't think, can it get any better, it does. It's just so nice. That blue and that pink, very nice indeed. So yeah, so that's another one. Then you've got purple and blue, and we all love a bit of purple and blue. And I love the colour combos here with the kind of like the almost burgundy watercolour. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And then you've got a lovely kind of burgundy rose type paper. Again, stunning, just stunning. And the quality on this is amazing. Really nice. It prints so nice. And then we've also got blues, and you know I'm a sucker for a blue, so this is beautiful. And again, if you've purchased any of his papers in the past, you've got maybe the indigo blue. It was like an indigo blue, I can't remember what it was called now. It was like an indigo blue flowery type, butterfly type pack. This would go well with it. So yeah, really nice. And then we've got this, which I really love the colours on this as well. The blues and the teals and the pinks. Really nice. I might actually, because I actually really like this, and this would have been nice as a paper. So I'm actually probably gonna make my own paper out of these tags, I think, because I do really like this. Really like this. Then we've got these, like a little envelope thing, a little corner, and some circles, and you can cut these bits out and put your little, so it's great for junk journaling. And then we've got some hearts with flowers in, which again are beautiful. Love these colours, really nice. And then last but not least, we've got these little sort of embellishmenty type things, but again, beautiful colours, beautiful watercolour going on there. So I'm now going to show you some of the things that I have made using this kit as well. So here I've already showed you this card, but again, as I said, because we're now mentioning about the feathers in flora pack, so this at the back here is actually using those feathers in flora papers, and I just thought they went really well with the Alice in Flowerland pack. So yeah, so that's that one. And then I've also made this card as well using the feathers in flora pack. Can we just really appreciate the gorgeous colours in this pack? The purple and the teal, and this kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of like a burgundy, I guess. It's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And so this is the card I've made, another card I've made using that pack. So yeah, so that's the samples, that's all the samples I've managed to make so far. There will be more coming up, but that's what I've managed to make so far. But I just wanted to give you a few ideas as to what to do with the papers. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. So yeah, so that's the video for today. Hopefully you'll head over to antoniomakes.com, use my code Louise10, which will get you 10% off. Go and sign yourself up for the VIP subscription, because it is worth doing. £45 for the year, well, it's actually £40.50 if you use my code, is pretty good. And you get 2 packs a month for that, plus all of the benefits I'm putting up on screen now. There's lots. And as you can see, his papers are beautiful, and the quality is beautiful. Like, it's so sharp. Look at the depth of colour in that. Oh, so nice. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, go and head over there and check out his website. And yeah, and please like, subscribe to me and to him. Leave a comment down below. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And yeah, all the details of all the products and that is in the description below. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.